Welcome to City Snippet. Today we visit the High Line. We hopped on the subway for the first time since March, and we headed west on Gansevoort Street. There are lots of flowers still blooming, and actually I saw a few cattails too. The large pink flowers are, I believe, rose mallow. This is an untitled work by Sam Falls of 4 arches, which are actually 4 ceramic archways, but supported by steel rail tracks from the original railway of the High Line. I love how wild and overgrown some of the grasses and plants and flowers looked. Timed entries mean that the walkway doesn't get too crowded, which is actually quite nice. We hadn't seen this building before, with its interesting windows. The painted green circles on the walkway are approximately 6 feet apart. Near 22nd Street is a work called The Bay Falls by Jordan Castile. Until next time, High Line.